Ripping with Retro Mike, and what do we have for you today? Today, we have got the brand new, just released as of November 2023, and you may be, or may not be, familiar with the Golden Lion wax box. But this is the Series B, which is brand new, just released for baseball. And as I said, if you're familiar with them, and let me make sure we have a no glare shot here, they can be chock full of wonderful cards. And I've seen other YouTuber types, and they've opened these up. Not yet the Series B, I have not, but the Series A, and they get a nice selection of really good cards. So I must say that before we proceed to opening this box, I've been very impressed by the Golden Lion product in the past. And again, I'm going to go defer. I'm going to put that down. And there's something I read on their website that really impressed me. And this came from the founder himself. And I'm going to read it to you. And it really, to me, encompasses, if you are a fan of sports cards, if you are a fan of ripping wax boxes and packs, you know what that feel gets inside of you when you are opening them up. It brings you back to childhood.
Mommy?
And when you were a kid looking through your first pack of cards. And that's what this owner, and his name is Luke, but I'll just shut up and read you this. From our founder, our company is sincerely invested in making sure that our customers have three feelings whenever they open a pack of Golden Lion sports cards. The feeling of exploration, knowing that there's the possibility of opening a pack with a vintage hero like Roberto Clemente or Mickey Mantle. Number two, the feeling of value, knowing that the team at Golden Lion has inserted an unprecedented amount of value in their packs. Number three, the feeling of nostalgia, bringing folks back to the moment they were children, opening up their first pack of cards, hoping for those hero hits. Thank you for trying out and supporting our brand. Luke, founder of Golden Lion Sports Cards and Memorabilia. Very impressed with that quote off their website. Well, I shall run my mouth no longer.
Shut up already.
Without further ado, I have a utensil in front of me. We're going to open this up and see what we have.
Let's get ripping.
Let's see. And again, I think what we're going to do is we're probably going to make a two-part little seal here. So we're probably going to make a two-part video out of these because there are 18 packs of cards with 30 cards each pack. And they spoke of a mystery pack, so we'll see how that goes too. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to retrieve, as you see here, I put the box over here, and I'm going to retrieve 9 packs. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 packs. And what I'll do is I'll put this out of the way over here. And then we'll proceed to open these up here. And like I said, we'll see what this all in the second part, because I'd rather pay attention to every card here instead of rushing it along. So alright, so we'll have a little debris here from the box. And these are really nicely wrapped. These are nicely wrapped.
Looks good to me.
In genuine wax paper. And they open just like the old Topps packs did. So like I said, without further ado, let's open our first pack. Let's get ripping.
Let's get ripping.
I'll put these all over here. We'll do 9 this time and 9 in our next video. Here I go. Rip it away. And they come with little protective stickers or labels on the back to protect the wax. So let's see what we have here. We have Roger Clemens. We have an 83 Donruss Oscar Gamble. We have a Matt Mate Topps 2000. We have a Doug Frobel rated rookie 1984 Donruss. We have a Johnny Damon Bazooka card. We have a Kevin Correa, and that is a Topps card. We have a Don Baylor Fleer, it's to be 84. We have a Jeff Bagwell Topps 50th anniversary. We have a Ted Lilly Topps card. And we have a Randy Kuchar That's an 80. Is that an 89 or 90? 90 tops card. We have a Greg Maddux. Oh, that's a nice looking. That's a beautiful card actually. Tops laser cut card there. And this is an oldie here. Phillies. 67 rookie stars. Very nice card. Grant Jackson and Billy Wilson. I'm gonna put that on. That's a very nice card. And a Tim Tufel. That looks to be an 89 tops. All right. Get on to our second pack. A little protective label. Okay, here we go. We have a Pinnacle Express. Randy Johnson. We have a 1990 Fleer. Doug Jones. We have a Byron Buxton. There's a Topps card. We have a Score 91 rookie prospect, Scott Lewis. We have a Lonnie Smith on 82 Donruss. Oh, there's a nice card. Is that a 59 Topps? I believe that maybe I have to look it up, but that is an old Topps card. We have a Hank Sauer. I'm gonna look that up and I'll put a little addendum in the video, but I think it's a 59 Topps. 86 Topps, Jim Clancy. We have a Reggie Jackson, super veteran. We have a Ray Quinones, 87 Topps. We have an 85 Donruss, Andy Fanslight. We have a Ricky Henderson, 87 Fleer. We have a Keith Hernandez, 81 Topps. And we have a Ken Clemente, that is a Donruss 92. All right, let's get on to our third pack. We have a Roberto Alomar, 93, Continental Baking Company. 80, let's have to look that one up. We have an 89 Donruss, Tim Raines. We have a 1990 Topps, Carlos Baerga. We have a Bob Randall, 1979 Topps. We have a Diamond King, Al Oliver, I believe it's an 83. We have a team card, New York Mets, 1999 team photo, Fleer Tradition. We have a Dwight Gooden, Pitcher of the Month, 1986 Donruss. We have a nice Superstar Special Fleer 83, Dennis Eckersley and Kyle Yastrzemski. And who was the Clear? So Yastrzemski, Eckersley, and Clear. We have Jeff Zahn, 82 Topps. We have a Gary Sheffield, Upper Deck. We have a Steve Lombardozzi. This is 89 Topps. We have a Frank Duffy, 1979 Topps. And we have a 1989 Topps, Jack Lazorko. All right, get on to our next pack. We have a 1984 Donruss, 85 Donruss, Steve Bedrosian. We have a Francisco Rodriguez, Topps card. We have a Rob Wilfong, 87 Fleer card. We have a Fred McGriff, Topps Stadium Club, 1994. We have a Ted Simmons, 1985 Donruss. We have another 1985 Donruss, Charles Lee. Very attractively, Alex Rodriguez, beautiful card. And this is a Topps, it might be Chrome, I don't know. Topps Chrome, yes. Alex Rodriguez, with a shot, beautiful
It's
card.
so shiny.
We have a Jack Fimple from 84 Topps. We have a Ryan Sandberg, Diamond King card. We have a Tigers team card from 1979. We have a Donruss Team Heroes, Mike Lowell card. Well, we have another oldie but goodie, We have a 19, let's see what it is. 69 tops. Larry Decker pitcher card. Very clean for a 69. And we have a 1992 draft pick, Jason Kendall card. All right, under our next pack. All right. We have a 1977, 77 tops, Tommy Zant card. We have a Rick Langford card from 1978. We have a Young Aces card, which is a nice looking card. I'm thinking it might be 69. Al Downing and Jim Bouton cards. We have a 1982 tops. We got a Bobby Mercer card. We have a this is post, 1994 collection, post Frank Thomas card. We have a Jim Presley card from 1986 Donruss. We have an Eddie Winston card from 1990 tops. We have a Andres Galagera, yeah, it should be from 1994 Fleer Ultra. We have a Ozzie Smith from 94 Fleer Ultra. Very prolific shortstop of our time. We have a Will Clark 50th anniversary card. Very nice card here. This is a 66 tops Dick Schofield card. Very nice card. We have a 1980 tops Dennis Eckersley. And we have a Dave Lopez 1988 tops card. On to our next pack. We have a San Francisco Giants. This is a team card from 1981 tops. We have a Trevor Hoffman tops card. We have a Robin Ventura 1992 Leaf card, Donruss Leaf card. We have a 1985 tops Rod Carew. We have a Duke Sims 69 tops Duke Sims catcher card. We have a Randy Sinclair 1987 Fleer card. We have a star rookie Travis Lee upper deck card. We have a rated rookie Jeff Reed from 1985 Donruss. We have a Scott Lusader card 1990 tops. We have a Craig Reynolds 1981 tops card. We have a Gary Carter 1985 tops card. And we have a Pedro Martinez all tops AL leader tops chrome card. Again, a very attractive card. And we have a 1985 tops Broderick Perkins. And on to our next pack. We have a Barry Bonds. Absolutely gorgeous card. Let's see who this is. Topps Company. Corner, little question one corner, but absolutely gorgeous. We have a Raleigh Fingers card, 1982 Donruss. We have a Randy Kramer card from 1990 tops. We have a Derek Lilquist card, Topps Stadium Club. We have a Manny Cora. This is a Charleston Rainbows card. Should be a minor league card. We have a Frank Robinson manager card as the Giants. And we have a 1984 Topps Andre Dawson card. We have a 1981 Topps John Milner card. We have a 1986 Topps Bill Scherer card. We have a 1968 Veda Pinson card. Nice vintage piece there. We have a Dave Concepcion 1974. 74 Topps Cincinnati Reds card. Dave Concepcion, very nice card. We have a Ken Hill Topps 2000 card. And we have a Ron Jones 1990 Topps card. And on to our next pack. What do we have here? We have a Score Select Benito Santiago card. We have a Joe Klink Fleer 94 card. We have a Dave Leaper 1990s Topps card. Very, very nice 1978 Topps Willie McCovey card. We have a Steve Henderson 1981 Topps card. We have a 1974 Topps Bert Hooton Chicago Cubs card. Nice card. We have a Johnny Grubb 1985 Topps card. We have a 1986 Topps Joe Carter card. We have a Tom Glavine Pinnacle card. We have a Don Baylor Manager 2002 Topps Chicago Cubs card. We have a Craig Matthews 1987 Topps card. We have a Rafael Palmeiro. This is a 1984 Topps card. And we have a Yankees Steve Sax. Looks like an early, I guess a 90 Bowman card. Okay, on to our next and last pack for part 1. But don't worry, 9 more packs and a part 2 to go.
Yes!
We have a Phil Bradley. This would be a 1985 Donruss Leaf card. We have a Billy Wagner. This is a 97 Fleer Ultra card. We have a 1975 Topps Ted Kubiak card. We have a Juan Gonzalez 1992 Donruss card. We have a 1987 Fleer Jim Wynn card. We have a 1985 Topps Rick Manning card. We have a 1981 Topps Rick Weiss card. We have a Score Select, I'd say 92, 93. Mike, you seen a card? We have a 1982 Topps Gary Lucas card. We have a League Leaders, let's see who this is. A good looking card. Todd Bolton, 50 years of Topps. And we have a Mark Lee Fleer 92 card. And we have a Cal Ripken and Mike Bodicker batting and pitching leaders from the Orioles from 1984 Topps. And we have a 1987 Topps Ennis Campbell card. Well, I'm having a blast. Retro Mike is having a blast.
Me too.
So please tune in for part 2, which should follow directly, and we'll finish the Golden Lion wax pack and see what are the goodies behold us. And thank you for tuning in.
You're welcome.
Please subscribe below. Make any comments you'd like. If there's anything you want us to open up, please let us know. We will do that for you. And we just hope you have a very good day, the best of best. And as I said, directly following this episode will be part 2. But bye-bye for now until part 2 of The Golden Lion. Bye.
See you later, mashed potatoes.